I'm having breakfast for the first time in 2 months. Someone made breakfast with me. So the first thing I did was add some butter into some bread. Then I added oil on fire. Then I added in some onions and I sauteed that together. Then I went in with my pepper mix. This pepper mix is comprising of some bodo, then some tomato. Then I give that a very good stir. Then I added in salt. Then I went in with seasoning. Then I gave that a very, very good mix. So at this point, the sauce was already getting cooked. So I added in some fish. Please, when you're making this, the bone your fish, especially if you're making it for children, make sure there's no bone in the fish. So I added that. So at this point, it was already cooking. So it was looking very delicious. Yeah? And I went in with some eggs. Then I gave that quite a good stir. Then because I wanted it in a scrambled form. So when this was ready, the only thing I did was I put it on my bread, then I added new oil on fire, then I added my bread to give it that toast form, that pancake toast. And guys, look at what we are having here. But I had mine with tea. So my friends had theirs with, with fresh orange juice. But me, I had mine with tea. Stay tuned to my page for more videos. Thank you.